Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards going to do our daily what sold, but this is for the last 4 days. This is Thursday the 19th, 20th, which is Friday, 21st Saturday, and 22nd Sunday. So 4 days worth of sales on the screen. 606 on 59 orders on my main store, and then on my airplane cards, I had 11 orders for 203. So decent $800 and so $200 a day. That's about double what I've been averaging. I will take it. I sent out some offers, but still have just letting my stores coast right now. So yeah, let's get into it. First is Nanacoke, Pennsylvania, First National Bank Building, 1906, 1256 on a best offer. I'm going to try to go through these kind of quick. This Nemesis, I can't say. This lake that starts with an H in New Jersey. I butcher it every time. Lake Pavilion Hotel Souvenirs. Kind of neat. That'd be an awesome real photo. And that's $14.24 on a best offer, even with this paper glue gunk on the back. $14.24. Enola, Pennsylvania, Whitman Atlantic Service Gas Station, 1940s. Got some creasing there. Be another cool real photo. $16.49 for that card. Next is Woman in Fur Coat, My Chauffeur, artisan Philip Boyu. There's that. His stuff, great work, but his stuff just does not sell very high. $425 best offer on that one, 1908. It's the Dual View Manor Greetings from San Bruno, California. Probably generic views, maybe not even associated with San Bruno. $7.99. I gotta make sure I'm still recording. I am. Okay, next, Rockford, Illinois Terrace Lounge in the Hotel Faust Bar, cocktails. It's been up for 7 or 8 years. $5.99 for that card. Texas Town, I'm not going to try. The Old Stone Fort, 1930s. It's probably very simple to say. Easier to look up, but I don't feel like it this morning. $6. This is Coronado, Florida, Barber House, 1907. And that sold for $25 on a best offer. 25 bucks. Next is Temple, Texas, Scott and White Clinic, Woodson ENT Hospital, 1930s. They had a whole full day. Jeez. $7 best offer. Next, Detroit, Michigan, Ford Motor Company plant, circa 1919. Best offer of $4. And I'm not showing all cards that sold. There were some cheaper ones and some $6.99 ones that I think we've seen before, and I just didn't pull them up today. But $4 best offer on that one. Same person bought this Detroit, Michigan 1912 view of Central High School, and $5 best offer on that one. California, exaggerated watermelons grown in California. I don't think they're that big. $4.99. Next, Patriotic Decoration Day, Civil War Soldier Amputee. Cannon flag. I don't know why I call him. Oh, because he doesn't have an arm. $17.99 for that card. Next is Florida, Seminole Indians, youth taught to wrestle alligators, Musa Isle. And that sold for $6.99. Frederick, Maryland, aerial view, Harry Grove Baseball Stadium, Frederick Keys, local team here. This is $5.99. It's continental size. Let me show you the back. There's the back. Next is Bridgewater, New Hampshire, Whippoorwill Motel and Cottages. and that sold for $7.99. Next, McCook, Nebraska, Main Street Movie Theater, real photo, 1940s. Came out of an album, and you can see they just ripped it and damaged the corners. $7 on a best offer. And this is Havana, Cuba, Association of Trade Dependents Building, 1910. I know people say you can't sell Cuba, but you can. I think it has to be pre 1950s. I don't know all the rules. Truthfully, some get pulled down, some don't. I have mine listed, $6. Sold a whole bunch of Arbuckle trade cards, coffee trade cards. Person originally came in about 4 or 5, asked if I had any others. I sent him a listing of everything I had, told him I'd accept $11.24 on them, and I think he bought 7 or 8 or 9, something like that. It was like a nice $80-$90 order. So this first one, 1889, Arbuckle Brothers coffee trade card, Morocco map, country scenes. I bought a stack of well over 100 of these at the DC Big Flea, probably coming up on almost a year now. I think I paid $80-$90 for them, maybe 100, but these cards were less than $1 each. So that one's well, they all went for $11.24. Same with this one. This is Greece map, and that went for again $11.24. Same thing here. This one's from Chile, Argentina, $11.24. Australia, $11.24. And then someone came in and bought a whole bunch of those Pennsylvania Fire Department cards I had. I only pulled up this one just to remind you that what they look like, but they bought 8 or 9, something like that, maybe even 10. They bought a lot. Easter greetings, boy feeding sheep in egg. So Easter, $8.49. Next is women's suffragette, wife protesting husband feeding baby. This one on a best offer, I want to say $23-$24. I paid less than $1. I paid probably $1.60 for that card, and I believe I showed you these from the Postcard Club meeting where I bought them. So yeah, nice 20 some odd dollar profit. Another Arbuckle's trade card. This one's of Spain, $11.24, and this one of Cape Colony, which is also $11.24. So Cape Colony is South Africa. $11.24 for that, and then they bought this one, Austro-Hungary, $11.24. Birmingham, Alabama Municipal Stadium football, circa 1930s. Kind of rough shape. Look at the scanner marks there. Yeah, something was definitely on the scanner. $6 on that one. Another Arbuckle's trade card. This is Guyana, $11.24. Texas High Bridge, Sunset Route Railroad Bridge. This card always sells. And $6.99. New York City, Radio City Plaza, real photo, Frange, real photo. Whoever Frange is, William, I guess. That sold for $9.74. That's going overseas. This is advertising Coca-Cola circa 1940s. The pause that refreshes bottle. My guess, well, it's 1940s because of the 1 cent stamp. It could be into the 30s, but my best guess was 40s. $14 on that Coca-Cola postcard. Merry Christmas, William Bryant quote, portrait, 1910 winch. They're cool, nice, pretty cards. Took a best offer. I think it was probably about $7.50. Same thing on this one of Emerson. I'm sure none of you have heard of Dr. Dirty, John Valby. He has a little thing about Emerson. Anyway, I digress. The person came in and bought a whole bunch of these Monmouth Park Racetrack, Oceanport, New Jersey. They bought this one for $6. And they bought this one for $7, a horse with a trainer, 1950s or so. Yeah, $7 for that one. They bought this one, Monmouth Park horse saddling paddock, and $5.99 for that card. They also bought this one, a new clubhouse extension, $5.99. Next, we have another Arbuckle's trade card. So I don't know how many that makes, 9, 10, something like that. This is Brazil for $11.24. Sold a dental book. This is a medical book, Viral and Rickettsial Infections of Man. So let me see, there's the title. Been sitting in my store for 8 years or so. Took a best offer of $10. St. Louis, Missouri, Holiday Inn North, aerial view, Route 66. And that sold for $6.99. Next, dual view banner greetings, Flagstaff, Arizona on Route 66. Next, sold 2 more of the hand-painted postcards. Scenic Sailboat, Beach Water Reflection. Looks like they had a little correction there. But yeah, hand-painted. I think they're neat. $10 on that one. Usually made in Germany. Nothing on the back of that one. And then they bought this one, Scenic Sailboats, Water Reflections, Germany. So I like them. $10, not bad. Yeah. There's one to the same buyer. PA, so this is Shawnee on Delaware, Archery Practice Camp Hagen for girls. Not sure if it's Girl Scouts or not, but these camp ones do extremely well. So yeah, I'm not sure if this is Girl Scouts or not, but $10 best offer. This is White Mountains, New Hampshire. Moosalaki. We'll try that one. Summit Camp, DOC. It's a real photo, and I took a best offer at $24. And then Pennsylvania, this is Mishapin. Sure, why not? Pennsylvania High School Building, 1910. So there's a pretty good 4 days on eBay on that store. And then just over on the airplane card, since I haven't done a video for like a month update, just a whole bunch of plain postcards. This is the what I envision this store when I finally get everything listed. It just, like my other, it just kind of runs itself, and you know, every week I sell several $100s worth of postcards, and it just keeps rolling in. So that's what I hope. Whether it happens or not, I don't know. Let me see. And on Whatnot, I have 3 shows coming up this week. Tomorrow is Topic and State Views, and I'm still putting stuff together. I have enough, I just haven't put it all together yet. So I apologize for not getting that preview video out. I have the Thursday Nooner. We'll do that again, 15 cards, quick style. And then Saturday, we'll do probably lots of 25 and probably run it the exact same way. Try to get more cards out. Well, maybe not more cards, because I have been doing postcards by the pound. But I'll at least try to get a lot of smaller lots out. So we'll try that. I'm still experimenting what works and what hasn't, or what doesn't. So still a work in progress, but it's still going pretty good. Sales have dipped some, which is I fully expected, and I believe I did mention before I even started with the Whatnot auctions. And I also cut out probably a half a dozen lots, just because instead of going 3.5 hours, I want to try to keep that down under 3. So yeah. Whatnot's been great. If you haven't gotten on Whatnot and you're contemplating it, there's a link below for both buying and if it's like a seller referral. So check that out. Okay, thank you all for watching. I hope your sales were great, and we'll see you soon.